I'm interested in your SCA course and how to implement controls and assessments. So the SCA means security control assessment, and I've been getting this question for a long time. I actually am an assessor. I do assessments, and I just haven't had time to work on this course yet, and people have been asking me for this for like 2 years now. That and the CAP course. And this is one I've been focusing mostly on the ISO foundations and ISO document compliance. I can tell you I'm working on a CAP course with another group of people. It's really incredible. But SCA, that's what you want to know about. SCA, the SCA course. What I've been thinking about doing, since I don't have a lot of time, is doing like a mini course and offering that one either for free or like as like a teaser to put it out there before I do a more exhaustive course on SCA, because I know a lot of people want it, and I know it will be great to have one place where you can actually have great information from somebody who does it, assessments, and it will be a great course, but I just have not had time to get to it yet. If you guys stick with me, if you stick with ConvoCourses, if you like and subscribe, you will see me do free stuff on here about SCA and break SCA down. I've done it before. I'll do it again. But I would like to do a full course, and if you follow me, eventually I will release something that's more comprehensive about assessments, risk assessments, vulnerability assessments, just be an assessor period, and things that you should look for, and content, where to go to actually learn more about it is really what I wanted the course to really focus on. Stay with me. It will come, but I've got a lot of stuff on my plate right now, so that's why it's taken so long to get to it. I think that's it, guys, for this one. Thank you so much for watching or listening to this podcast. I will be releasing this in parts so that you guys can kind of take it in bite-sized chunks, in 1 or 2 5-minute chunks and everything. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. Please keep following me and get more updates on SCA courses and other courses that I'm going to do. Talk to you guys on the next one.